Welcome back to Grindstone Crabs.
Yeah.
How'd you do today, Andrew?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, what was today?
It was Christmas.
Yeah, all right. Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we show the kids all the stuff you got for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So first we're going to start with what we got from Andrew's Uncle Adam.
Yeah.
And Uncle Adam was great enough to find us an entire Grimm playset here.
Yeah.
You can hear him.
Over there. That Grimm over there.
Yeah, that Grimm over there, we found at a thrift store, and it's been great to have. But he's got no arms and no other pieces, so this one here was also found at a thrift store.
Yeah.
Or found from a reseller, and all the pieces were present, so. It's a really good find.
Yeah.
Uncle Adam also found us a whole lot of Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks.
Yeah.
So these are all vintage.
Yeah.
Some nice trucks in here.
Yeah.
So, and then Uncle Adam also went out of his way to find us a lot of the O'Reilly's Hot Wheels Monster Truck 1/64th scale trucks. So we've got, with these, you've got them all, company sponsors here. So we got a Black Widow exhaust truck. We've got a B&M twin mill.
Starter Stripes.
Yep. We got a Momo Volkswagen Beetle.
Yeah.
Brembo Volkswagen bus. And then a PPG delivery vehicle.
Yeah.
So, thank you to Uncle Adam for all those cool gifts.
Yeah. And then we have over here. Yeah.
So from Santa, what did you get from Santa?
I got from these trucks from Santa.
And what else did you get from Santa? From Santa.
The garage.
The garage.
Yeah, because
the Monster Jam garage.
With the 4th anniversary grader, gold grade digger.
All right. And then from your sister, you got a couple of monster trucks here. So we've got the Nightmare. We've got the girl zombie.
Yeah, the girl zombie.
And the wolf's head.
The wolf's head.
Yeah.
So we got
Then we got the 1/24 scale inverse grave digger.
Yeah, and look on the back on this.
So you got this from Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
And also from Mom and Dad, you got this Champ Ramp Freestyle, another one, but this one is a Kohl's exclusive.
Yeah.
And it has glow-in-the-dark pieces here. When you got a Gravedigger and a Blue Thunder that came with it.
Yeah.
And then we also got a Monster Jam Mini World Finals playset.
And look at the top.
Yeah, so it has a bunch of minis in it, all with dirt tires.
Yeah. Blue Thunder, the Monster, El Toga, Mega 9, Monster, Grazer, and Blue Thunder.
Yeah. So Monster Jam went back, or Spin Master went back and made the World Finals playset. I don't know if this one's the exact same size, but it is basically a very similar playset, if nonetheless. And this time they decided to make it for minis.
Yeah.
So cool.
And you can buy these at Kohl's.
Yeah. Yep. Mom and Dad found them at Kohl's. So, all right.
And we got this one. We saw this one for Target.
You saw that at Target?
Yeah.
Yeah, all these trucks here, that pack.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Santa picked them up at Target for you, huh?
Yeah. And then you picked up these from these two and this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna take these sets out, and we are gonna unbox, and we're gonna unbox some of these trucks. All right, we're back. We got everything unboxed and put together.
Yeah. And I got a skateboard.
Oh, and you got your skateboard, huh?
Yeah. It comes with these little shoes, I think.
Yeah.
And you put your fingers in there.
Okay.
Look.
So we got the Monster Jam garage, Monster Truck garage here. Got our DC Heroes versus Joker, Justice League versus Joker set. So got a few trucks. We got the new Flash truck in here.
Yeah.
All right. Got a couple new monster trucks like the Girl Zombie.
Yeah.
All right, and Nightmare.
Yeah. Wow. Nightmare.
And then we've got our glow-in-the-dark ones are also up here on the garage, and this is part of the new Champ Ramp playset
Yeah.
that has glow-in-the-dark pieces.
Yeah, just like that one over there.
We've got our new Grim,
Yeah.
new to us Grim, hanging out behind the garage here. All right, what else? Oh, we've got some new Hot Wheels monster trucks here.
Yeah.
Those were the O'Reilly's ones.
Yeah.
And then we've got a couple of new to us Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks. Got the 1/24th scale inverse Gravedigger out. Some of these other trucks here. All right. And what else? What do we got over here?
We have this. We didn't put kinetic sand on.
Yeah, we didn't put the kinetic sand on, but
No.
this is the World Finals Arena playset with the minis here.
Yeah.
So this is the new one that just was out at Kohl's, and this is the original one. Obviously, we've got some jumps hooked up to, or ramps hooked up to it here, launchers.
Yeah.
So this is the original one that was for the 1/64th scale, and they are actually like the exact same size. So
Yeah.
exact same pieces. The only main difference now is all these ramps are now the same.
Yeah. And the sign look like different. It says World Finals.
Yeah.
And it has Monster on it.
Yeah, there you go.
And then this is from Thunder Alley from World Finals, and it has Max C right there.
Yeah. All right. So all the minis that you get, they all have the dirt tires.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Yeah.
All right. We got everything set up. So what's your most favorite thing that you got?
I got this garage because
Yeah.
I got it because I can't wait to get this.
Yeah. You like the garage? Let's show the kids how it works.
Yeah. So this one is.
Oh.
It would jump like this.
All right. Let's see that again.
Oh.
Okay. Let's see the next ramp.
Yeah.
Go. All right. Go ahead. All right. And last one. Go. Okay, let's see the other levels. What do they do?
Okay, I'll go this one. This one goes like this.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see the other level.
See, this one has crush cars.
Oh, we got the crush cars on the end of this ramp.
Crush, crush, crush.
Oh. All right. What about up here?
have this Batman with his whip.
Yeah. All right, let's see him go. Oh, nice. Okay, now how do you get them back up there?
Because
Or how do you get monster trucks back up?
so you have to use this elevator.
The elevator?
Yeah. And use this too.
Okay, you have to tell the elevator which level to stop at?
Yeah.
All right. So you really like this playset?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's your favorite thing? You're really glad Santa got it for you for Christmas?
Yeah.
All right.
Ah.
All right. Should we let you keep playing?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. You want to say bye to the kids?
No, I want to just move on to the next playset.
You're just going to move on to the next playset?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over here we have the Champ Ramp glowing in the dark.
Oh, Champ Ramp glow in the dark. All right.
Yeah.
So this was the Blue Thunder that came with it.
Mhm.
And this was the Grave Digger that came with it.
The Green Digger and Blue Thunder.
And for the Monster Truck Garage, obviously you get the 40th anniversary Grave Digger
Yeah, the 40th anniversary Green Digger.
in gold here.
Gold. Yeah, and then we have to move that out of the way. The hallway.
Nah, you don't have to. Go. See, it's fine.
Yeah. It's just doing nose wheelie.
Yeah? Nose wheelie.
Yeah, like.
All right, let's see Grave Digger.
See, okay. The green tires. Go!
Oh, nice.
It crashed.
Yes.
Oh, that one.
All right. Well, we got to get going, buddy. So why don't you say bye to the kids?
Bye.
All right. Hope everybody had a good Christmas.
Yeah.